To send Bitcoin using PayPal, you will need to follow a series of steps as PayPal does not directly support Bitcoin transactions. First, you need to have a PayPal account and a Bitcoin wallet. If you do not have a Bitcoin wallet, you can create one on a reputable exchange such as Coinbase or Blockchain. Next, you need to link your PayPal account to your Bitcoin exchange account. This can usually be done in the Settings or Payment Methods section of the exchange website. Once your accounts are linked, you can use PayPal to deposit funds into your exchange account. After your exchange account is funded, you can use the funds to buy Bitcoin. This is usually done through the Buy or Trade section of the exchange website. Once you have purchased Bitcoin, you can send it to any Bitcoin address. To send Bitcoin, you will need the recipient's Bitcoin address. This address is usually a long string of letters and numbers and can be found in the recipient's Bitcoin wallet. You can then enter this address in the Send or Withdraw section of your exchange account and specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. It is very important to double-check the recipient's address before sending Bitcoin, as transactions are irreversible. You should also be aware of any fees associated with sending Bitcoin, such as transaction fees and exchange fees. In addition to using a Bitcoin exchange, you can also use a third-party service to send Bitcoin using PayPal. These services act as an intermediary between PayPal and the Bitcoin network and usually charge a fee for their services. It is also important to note that not all Bitcoin exchanges or third-party services support PayPal, so you may need to shop around to find one that does. You should also make sure to research any service you use to ensure it is reputable and secure. Overall, sending Bitcoin using PayPal requires some extra steps but can be a convenient way to fund your Bitcoin transactions. Just make sure to do your research and use reputable services to ensure your transactions are secure and successful.